I could start it out like, in a world where one needs to use an HTML line break or a horizontal rule, how would one? I said I could start it out. I didn't say roll the tape. Okay, we're live here. Let's get it started. Today we need to use an HTML line break or a horizontal rule. So I have two lines up and ready to go. We'll try to make this one short, simple, and sweet. I hope everyone is following along on the playlist because you are definitely going through the HTML series. Very good. After the HTML series, go to CSS. Talk with you later. Let's go on ahead and add that line break and horizontal rule. So what you can do is just open up any editor and type out any type of line that you would like. So the first thing we're going to do is just make a line break. Normally you would not do this. We already know that what the inline and block elements can actually do, but let's say for whatever reason you needed to add a line break. I'll go right after the word Walmart and I will add that. Actually, before that, take a look here and you'll notice the word Walmart. Good. And so let's see, I need to run to Walmart so I can get some milk. And I will go right there and add the line break. It is self-closing. And now we have turned this entire one line into two lines in which it is split right after the actual Walmart. If I wanted to add another one, I can definitely do that by just copying it and add it after the get word. And let's see what we get. There we go. Now we just broke another line. So it does exactly what it's supposed to do, or exactly what it says. It breaks the line. All right. And then after that, we do have two paragraphs here, but let's say I wanted a little separation. And what I can do is use a horizontal rule, and it looks just like this. And there we have it. You now have the line break and horizontal rule right underneath your, or actually add that to your HTML utility belt in a world where you need to use line breaks. Well, you get the picture. All right, so that is it for today. Yeah, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I will talk with you later. And actually add a comment in there. You know, we can definitely do a couple of chats back and forth about any questions that you may have. All right, stack out. Talk with you later.